Your OTP, telephonic banking PIN, which is personal identification number, or telephonic banking PIN or one-time password, and compare that to an underwear. You don't share it, right? But in real life you do share. Let me give you some statistics. Every minute about 6 out of 10 people share their OTP with strangers. You should never in any circumstances share your OTP with anyone, even if they are your bankers or any other trusted people. OTP shared is money stolen. Seriously, most of the data breaches or compromise is a result of poor password or credential shared with others. We all must accept the fact that most of us uses the same password with the slight variation to log in to social media, to our network, email account, and even to your bank account and credit card accounts. The critical threat to password is password cracking, a method wherein a password can be found, password guessing, password hash brute force method, keylogger, a program to steal your password, and default password, which you don't change for your sake of convenience. Some of the security breaches: Yahoo 1 billion credential lost, LinkedIn 117 million credential were lost, which was due to weak password. Evernote 50 million details were stolen. Sony PlayStation 77 million. Target lost 20 million. Adobe lost 36 million. Home Depot lost 56 million. Code Ventura lost 200 million, and the list goes on. The primary cause of data breach is weak password. Always keep a strong password. Never use same password at two places. Always change your password as and when you can. Do not keep similar password, and do not keep guessable password like 12345 6 test admin etc etc.